Wow, the ultimate family car. This is the new Range Rover, brand new model, D350, which is 350 brake horsepower, SE model in the Santorini Black, 72 registration, like new, with so many extras. The car is stunning, it's long wheelbase, but the reason this car is the ultimate family car is because of this. Not only is there loads of space in the middle seat row here, but look at this. This car's got third row seating. So it's a 7-seater. By a press of one button, them seats fold forward, making access in and out so simple. But the third row seating isn't just an emergency seat. It's not seats for kids anymore. This is so comfortable. I've got lots of leg room, lots of headroom. Anybody can travel in this third row seating and be super happy with the travel. They've got heated seats in the back. They've got USC cup holders, their own little air vents, 3-point seat belts, beautiful luxurious leather, ambient lighting. This doesn't get any. I actually don't feel like I'm sat in the third row seating. I feel like I'm sat behind the driver's seat here right now. It is absolutely mega. This is a stunning car. The long wheelbase gives you lots of leg space. Look how easy this is. There isn't another 7-seater you can just do this with. You can't. And I wear pointy shoes. To get out, it's this easy. Press that button again and it'll go electronically. You don't need to fight with it. There's no struggles, none of that. And then it'll go back. You've got electric reclining seats. You've got memory seats. This is for the back seats, as in the passengers. The lovely high gloss veneer finish, metallic. You've then got built-in blinds and you can press these buttons and they'll go up and down and do the rest. But you know what? Let's start from the front. 72 registration, like new. This car is amazing. And I meant what I said, the ultimate family car. There's so many times you need a 7-seater, so you go for just a family-looking car. But this is the ultimate. LED-style daytime running lights, 360 camera system, front-rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control. Things that you need every day, you've got it. This has a shadow pack on it as well, so all the badging, the squared grills, all the finishing on the front bumper, LED front fog lights, headlight washers. It's got everything. The car is... It's just one of them cars you look at and you go, wow, it's massive. But wow, it's beautiful. I absolutely love them wheels. I've had any amounts of the new shape Range Rovers like this one, the big ones we call them. And normally with the 23-inch wheels, they're all black, painted black. Now this is from the factory, diamond cut with a grey insert. And you know what? It looks classy and sporty at the same time. It works, it looks really well. At first I thought, will I like it, will I not? And when it turned up, I thought, that looks absolutely mega. You've got the atlases down the side, the electric deployable door handles, which are completely flush, double glazed windows, sun protection glass, and look at that interior. Ambient lighting, the piano black finish to the centre section, the floating screen, which is the touchscreen media system, nice curved glass, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, navigation, DB digital radio. You've got heated seats. Obviously, you've got things like dual zone climate control. I mentioned the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, and this car also has, let's not forget, very great thing to have, the SV bespoke wood steering wheel, which I think looks, it just looks really, really good, and it's different. The Meridian sound system, there's miles and miles of leather everywhere, fully fitted mats. I've shown you the middle row seats and the third row seating, but the rear passengers have their own climate control. They have their own heated seats there as well. Lots of cubbyhole spaces. The centre armrest comes down. And like I said, you've got all the switches here, and these are all lovely, illuminated, ceramic finish, and just touch sensitive. Your reading lights, that's for your blind. Soft closed doors, remember you have that. Look at the size of that door. It's long wheelbase, it's massive. It is huge. Easy access to get in and out. You've got 4-wheel steering, so when you're driving, the wheels on the back, they actually turn for you as well to make movability even easier and more simple. You've got a beautiful pulsating rear lighting system with a lovely LED pulsating indicators hidden in that black panel there as well. You've then got automatic tailgate. Obviously the camera system we mentioned already, but look at this. You'd almost think that because you have leg space in the third row seating, you'd have zero boot. Even I would think that, and I'm selling this. But surprisingly, with so much space in the third row seating, you still got this much space because it's long wheelbase. So not only can you use all seats, but you've got luggage space, shopping, pushchairs, whatever you need, you can do that. All the seats go down electronically using that there, and this car also has the electric deployable tow bar. So if you are going to tow with this car, perfect. Remember the D350 is a 3-litre diesel with 350 brake horsepower, more than enough to tow anything. And that's brilliant. If you're not using it, press the button, it falls away again. Hazard warning, lane assist here. Doo-doo-doo. Electric windows and mirrors. All that lovely metallic finish again, which I think is brilliant, inline and flush. You've then got things like the full digital dashboard here, heated steering wheel, and remember on the new model Range Rover like this one with the adaptive cruise, the car almost drives itself. So when you set the cruise control, it steers on its own. All you have to do every 6-7 seconds, touch the steering wheel, let the car know you haven't fell asleep. You've got this little button here, which is the adjustment for the steering column, up and down, in and out. Push button sound, and you've got a very nice soft tone. Yes, it's a diesel, but it doesn't sound like a diesel. It's got a great sound to it. The 360 camera system is in high definition, very easy to use. 3D version there. And you've also got the off-road version as well, so you can literally see through the bonnet what's underneath the car for ground clearance. More cubby hole space, wireless charging pad, 2 keys, twin cup holders, and you've got the centre armrest with more cubby hole space underneath. And remember, this is the tilt and sliding panoramic roof because not all of them have that. Some of them have the panoramic roof, which is fixed. This is the tilt and sliding version, which I think is nice because it lets air in, lets light in, and it does a cracking job. Remember, with the new shape Range Rovers, you can't get them. If you go and try and order in a 7-seater, long wheelbase, Vogue SE, with the extras like the wheels and the pan roof and stuff, you're waiting 2 years, probably a bit longer. My name's Joe. This car is physical. Remember, the key feature is this long wheelbase 7 seats with all the extras. On a 72 registration with no miles on, literally 300 miles. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.